because we're talking about spring and about many different things that goes with spring, and I've been focusing on the weather today, I made folder games. One is floating clouds, one is rainbows in, and one is sunshine. What the folder game is, it's matching by size, going from largest to smallest. And the skill I'm working on is sequencing and visual discrimination. I'll show you what I'm talking about because I'm going to use the cloud folder game. And here's all the pieces to the game. Large cloud, next to large, medium, and then small is what I did. And the other two folder games are the same. One is for the rainbow and one is for the sunshine. But I'm working on, like I said, visual discrimination and sequencing. These games are easy to make. Just get some white paper. You can cut out large balls, small balls, medium balls, whatever. And you can make your own games. Just you don't even have to have a folder. Just do it on the table. Just cut out different pictures. Make sure they're all different sizes and have your child put them in order from large to small, from small to large. And they're simple to make. Enjoy this game. I did.